broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Sorry, I had to snooze this right away.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for Southern Ontario at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Saturday, November 30th, 2019. A freezing rain warning is issued for Listowel, Milverton, Northern Perth County, and Kitchener, Cambridge, region of Waterloo. A freezing rain warning is continued for Oxford.
Okay guys, a little update. I lost contact with XMJ330, 162.550 is the frequency. I lost contact with the weather radio station. I'm trying to go everywhere in the house. And I'm not getting one piece from the radio station. The station is completely out and we lost contact. This sucks.
Tournez au menu précédent en tout temps, faites l'étoile. This evening.
What? What did you just say?
This evening, it's French.
No! Shh. XMJ330 is good. Okay, on your phones, yeah. Well, I should be worrying about it because I'm the one that weather radio infused here.
You also have it on your phone, Alush.
Okay, somebody please tell me in the comments what the hell is going on in XMJ330. Guys, everything went back to normal.
That's French.
Yeah, it's gonna be English. Damian! Damian!
We are currently experiencing technical difficulties.
It's happening again.
We are
Yo, this thing just...
Glitched out on you.
English, press 1. Nous éprouvons présentement quelques English, press 1. We are currently
I think we have a corrupted voice file.
English, press 1.
Listen.
Nous éprouvons présentement quelques English, press 1.
Alush.
Canada, station XMJ 225 in Toronto, broadcasting on 162.400 megahertz. This service is operated by Environment Canada. Comments should be directed to 1-877-789-7733. We are currently experiencing technical difficulties with our broadcast. We hope to have the system return to normal operation as soon as possible. We are sorry for the interruption. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions importantes pour les régions dans la zone.
Fuck, I missed it.
Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations. Nous éprouvons présentement quelques difficultés techniques. La programmation normale reprendra sous peu. Nous nous excusons de ce contretemps. Ici Radio Météo Canada, station XMJ 225 à Toronto, diffusant sur la fréquence de 162,400 MHz. Le service vous est offert par Environnement Canada.
You guys just issued a winter storm warning. What the f...
789-7733. This is Weather Radio Canada, station XMJ.
You guys just issued a freaking winter storm warning. What the hell's going on? You guys technical difficulties now?